In a quiet corner of the American desert, hidden behind steel hangars and restricted airfields, a new machine is taking shape, a vision of the future wrapped in silence and secrecy. This is the Boeing F-47 NGAD, the next-generation air dominance fighter, America's answer to tomorrow's wars in the sky. The F-47 isn't just another jet. It's a thinking weapon, a fusion of stealth, intelligence, and speed designed to outsmart any rival before the first missile is fired. Born under top-secret programs, the F-47 combines the most advanced engineering ever attempted in military aviation. Every surface, every circuit, every hidden bay is shaped by one idea: to control the air. Always. Its silhouette is unlike any fighter before it, a smooth, tailless flying wing form with no vertical fins, no exposed weapons, no radar reflections. The body, coated in advanced composite skin, swallows light and bends electromagnetic waves. On radar, it's a ghost. To the human eye, it's a shimmer among clouds. On the battlefield, it's unseen until it strikes. Inside lies a marvel of power, an adaptive cycle engine that transforms in mid-flight. It shifts from high-thrust combat mode to long-range cruise efficiency, or into a low-heat stealth mode when the mission demands invisibility. The result is unmatched range, speed, and survivability, a fighter that can travel farther, fly longer, and strike deeper than anything before it. But the F-47 is more than hardware, it's intelligence in motion. At its core is an AI-enabled brain, an artificial co-pilot capable of analyzing millions of data points every second. It reads the sky, scanning radar, satellites, infrared feeds, and sensor inputs, and turns chaos into clarity. Threats are identified and countered instantly. Missiles are dodged before they appear on enemy screens. The F-47 doesn't react, it anticipates. In the cockpit, the pilot becomes a commander, while the AI handles the digital battlefield. Together they operate as one, human intuition fused with machine precision. And the F-47 never flies alone. It's designed to control a swarm of loyal wingman drones, small, autonomous aircraft that scout ahead, jam radars, or deliver precision strikes. Each drone links wirelessly to the F-47, sharing vision, data, and tactical awareness. Imagine a formation where one fighter commands an entire fleet of intelligent allies, a moving web of power in the sky. When the moment to strike arrives, stealth turns to fury. Internal bays open silently, revealing hypersonic missiles capable of exceeding Mach 5. They ignite with plasma light, tearing through the atmosphere toward distant targets hundreds of miles away. No defense can stop what it can't see coming. In secure Boeing facilities, the work never stops. Robotic arms assemble the airframe, engineers test stealth coatings, and computers run thousands of virtual combat simulations daily. From classified labs to digital war rooms, the F-47 is transitioning from blueprint to reality. According to defense insiders, its first flight could occur before 2027, with full deployment in the early 2030s. When that day comes, the world will witness the most advanced fighter ever built, a machine that merges human and artificial intelligence into one lethal force. Beyond America's borders, the race is on. China pushes its J-20 and J-35 programs. Russia advances new variants of the Su-57. Europe develops Tempest and FCAS. But none yet match the total integration of stealth, AI, and network warfare that defines the F-47. It's more than a jet, it's a digital command center, capable of linking satellites, drones, and ground forces in a single, synchronized system. The next era of combat won't be fought by who flies the fastest, but by who thinks the fastest, and in that realm, the F-47 stands alone. For America's allies, it's reassurance, a guardian of freedom across shared skies. For its rivals, it's a silent warning that the United States still commands the edge of innovation. As the F-47 climbs above the storm, sunlight glints across its wings. The clouds close behind it, leaving nothing but silence and power. Invisible, intelligent, invincible. The Boeing F-47 NGAD, America's secret weapon for the skies of tomorrow.